Hi, hello friends, welcome everyone to Precision Price Action Pro Trader series. The special topic for today is the price structure. And the price structure that we focus on in this video is RBR. Let us try to understand what RBR stands for. So friends, there are fundamentally four price structures in the entire price action theory. It comprises of two continuation structures and two reversal structures. It comprises of two bullish structures and two bearish structures. Which are they? The first structure is rally based rally. The first structure is rally based rally, what we call it as RBR. The second structure is drop based rally, what we call it as drop based rally, DBR. The third structure is drop based drop, what we call it as DBD. And the last structure is rally based drop, which is RBD. In this, the first two structures are called bullish structures and the second two structures are called bearish structures. In this, there are two more aspects. One is this rally based rally is called as continuation structure. The drop based drop is called as continuation structure, whereas DBR is called as reversal structures, RBD is called as reversal structures. In the subsequent sessions, we will try to deep dive on the intricacies of these structures. So now in this video, we will focus on the price structure rally base rally. Let us go deeper. What kind of a candle is this, friends? It's a beautiful green candle, momentum candle. It is a bullish momentum candle. In simple words, we call it as a rally candle. What is a rally? Something is happily going up. Who is controlling it? The buyers are controlling it. Look at that. What is that? That is a base. Is the color of the base significant? No. It can be a red base, it can be a green base. Irrespective of what it is still a base and it is still a confusion structure. The last structure is again a rally. What do you see now? There is a rally and there is a base and then there is another rally. This is what we call as continuation structure. What does that mean? Can you see this rally? Strong momentum bullish candle, which means buyers are in absolute control. It is like a highway. A vehicle is driving on a highway at a supersonic speed. There is nobody to stop them, no traffic, no humps, nor any the toll booths. Once what happens, the price rallies and suddenly it starts slowing down. Why? Because there is a war here. There is a war. That is the whole reason this structure is a base. Why do you call it a base? Because the body is smaller than 50% of the total length of the candlestick. Which means there is a tug of war. There is a fight between buyers and sellers. And finally, who won? Who dominated the scene? It depends on the next candle. What is the next candle? The next candle is a bullish candle. Who is under control? Buyers are under control. Who are killed here? The sellers are killed. So price moved up. Officially what happened? Officially there was a strong rally. Buyers were in control. Suddenly sellers appeared. There was a war. There was a fight. And finally, at one point of time, all sellers are destroyed and buyers took the price up. That is nothing but rally base, rally. Simple, straightforward story. So, to summarize, price is going up, tug of war, and finally the price zooms ahead, which is a typical continuation structure. Bulls were first in control, then there is a fight between bulls and bears, and finally bulls won the battle and took the price up. This is what we call it as the rally, base and rally structure. Let us go deep dive into some of the simple examples. Let us try to find some good rally, base, rally structures. Okay, sounds good. Now, see this. Can you see a rally, base, rally there? Observe carefully. Can you see a rally, base, rally? This is rally, base, base and then rally. When there are two bases, how can you call a rally, base, base, rally as a rally, base, rally? Think about blending. In the previous videos, we learnt about blending of candles, right? Now, try to blend two bases, you will get a bigger base. So, it is a rally, base, rally only finally. Figure it out, keep watching. If you can find some more structure, see this one. Rally, gap up base and then a gap up rally. What is a gap? A gap is a momentum candle. We spoke so many times. A gap is a momentum candle because a gap signifies tremendous momentum. Okay? Alright, sounds good. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Okay? If you want, I can zoom it further. We can go a little further to find some more beautiful structures so that you will clearly understand. Can you find this one? See that beautiful rally, base, rally. See this beautiful rally, base, rally. Right? Find it. Do you find anything more? Look at this guy. Wow. This is a good one. Rally, base, base and then a huge rally. Merge both the bases to make a bigger base. Correct? Keep flowing. See here. Some more. Look at this guy. Is that a beautiful rally, base, rally? Watch it carefully. Look at this guy. Brilliant. This is a cute pattern. This is another cute pattern. This is another cute pattern. Can you make out? Rally, base, rally. Rally, base, base, rally. When there are two bases, merge, it becomes a bigger base. That's it, very simple. How about these two? This is rally. See, there is a green base, there is a red base. When you merge, what happens? Think about it. See if you can merge these two bases, what will happen? Open up the first candle, close up the last candle. So, this combined base is this. See, this is the base. Alright. So, the fundamentals of price action don't change. Okay. Sounds good? So, in this video, you guys learned the most fundamental price structure, the rally, base and rally, which is also called as a continuation structure or a bullish structure. It is not or, it is an and. It is a RBR is a bullish structure and also a continuation structure. In the subsequent videos, we will talk about some more structures which form the crux of the price action trading. Until then, signing off, Ashok Devanampriya from Traders Gurukul. Thank you very much.
Are you tired of stock market losses? Tired of hundreds of boring indicators and the frequent drawdowns? Do you want to understand how to trade markets without indicators? How institutions cheating the retail traders and how to make fair and consistent trading methods? The answer is IT3T Mega Webinar, India's most comprehensive and 100% money back guarantee training program for stock market investing and trading. And what do you learn from this webinar? Techno fundamental investing, WD GAN techniques, precision price action trading, the option trading strategies, algo trading, and also trading psychologies. So it is a package of 200 world-class investing and trading books jam-packed into the 12 days of webinar. And what you can expect from IT3T: genuine training program with examples and assignments, no indicators, real-life examples, proven and reliable methods. And what you shouldn't be expecting is holy grail formulas, zero loss strategies, 90% win rate stories, get quick rich Ponzi schemes. And we also have students across the globe. The three things IT3T always promises is 100% money back guarantee program, 100% brokerage credit, 100% lifetime learning. But that's not it. We have an early bird offer for you at just 35,000 rupees for first 25 students. So how do you enroll the IT3T program? Simple. Just log on to www.i3t3.in or contact our webinar manager